Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So today what I thought that I will be posting कुछ कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो कि हमारे babies के लिए necessary है just because I'm a new mom. So few things I always do or anything. So this vlog is completely dedicated to my baby's brain development and her extra co-curricular activity development activities like kind of thing, whatever you can understand. Guys, basically, Vihana is currently 3+ month old. You can say like 3 months or and 1 week old, and we have started her things like study plans, the co-curricular activities, so that she from the beginning itself she develops those skills and those cognitive skills, and she is completely aware about those things, and we are like avoiding the screen time, whatever things are necessary na for our kid we always try to give, right? So अभी तो हम उसके स्क्रीन टाइम अवॉइड कर रहे हैं एंड कम्प्लीटली उसके ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट, उसके प्ले टाइम एक्टिविटी पे फोकस कर रहे हैं. एंड एक और चीज़ हम फोकस कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि वो कभी कभी हमसे बात करती है अपनी जो भी बेबी लैंग्वेज होती है उस टोन में, तो हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं उसको रिस्पॉन्ड करें, उसके किसी भी किसी भी साउंड को हम लोग वेग ना जाने दें, ना ही लाइक वॉइड नहीं जाने देते हम. वी रिप्लाई and we play with her. Whenever she cries we pick her up. So these are the part of these study plans. So ऐसे ही कुछ कुछ चीज़ों चाइल्ड एक्टिविटीज़ को कुछ कुछ ऑब्जर्व करते हुए there is a company called Uptot. They bought one study plan, complete package of study plan for I guess since the baby is born. It's from that. या आप ये रिसर्च कर लेना up till 2 years you can give that plan to baby. So we have purchased this Upload program. So currently we have received 2 packages and this is the part 1. So in one package we have received 2 boxes plus one there is some paper roll. I will show you what boxes I have received. So this is the box. This is the box number 1. Sorry, it's opposite. This is the box 1. Okay. And basically this is the name of my husband. So because he ordered, so it's his name, Vinay Kumar Chaudhary. And this is the box 1. And we have another box also. This is the box 2. Okay. So I am going to unbox both these boxes so that you can also purchase these things. And basically it's not a promoted video, but I am posting this so that you guys are also aware and you can also like buy these things for your kid if you are interested. And this spiral, this is the roll. Some things are there. We will like do unboxing and see what all things they have given us. Okay. So firstly let's open this only. Okay. So I think this is the sticker. Oh, okay. So these are the stickers which we can stick on the walls. These are the interactive stickers, the colorful stickers. See, this teddy bear and all is there. This teddy bear is there. This lion, dogs, everything is there. These are the stickers only. You can see it. These are the stickers. Okay. Only two papers are there. So these all are the stickers, and 3 are there actually, and this is the third one, the birds. You can see the birds are also there actually. It got, see, birds are there. This is the 2 papers only with sticker. One was with this picture, elephant, dog, everything is there. Okay, butterfly, everything is there. Okay. And second is this one. There are 2 teddies playing on the tree and the birds are chirping above the tree. This is the same picture sticker. Okay, so this they have provided us. So we will be beginning their study plans. Actually, they have provided us the manual also, that how to make them study, how to make them interact with these things. Basically, these are day-to-day activities which if you don't even buy also, na, you guys do only, right? But there are few things which we miss, so we have bought it. Basically, what happens na, in the start, our baby's neuro cells, if we go into the biology, so our baby's neuro cells are right now developing in the development stage only. So to utilize them, we have bought it, and the more you utilize the baby's brain, the more it will boost our baby's brain and her cognitive skill sets. So we have bought this, and let's see what is her response on these things. We will check it out. We will begin soon. Right now I'm not getting that much time, but a few things I have already started for my baby, but this is the unboxing video, so I will use this Uptot things also right now. So let's open this. Okay, so I have opened this, and it has many things. Like, first is the spiral. Actually, I have already opened this one, only this one, nothing else. So basically this is nothing but a spiral. This is like this. Okay, this is used for what? When your baby is sitting or sleeping or in the lying down position, then you can hang this above her or his head, and for I think 10 to 15 minutes, and you can play the playtime music. And these colors, they have multiple colors here: orange, green, yellow. And by seeing this na, it rotates. See, if you can see, it rotates here and it rotates here also. So by seeing this, her imagination powers, everything develops. She thinks, she focuses, her focus develops. So this is the box number 1. Actually, from that first box only, there are 2 boxes, 2 toys. One is this toy, which I have already showed you. Okay, the spiral, which you can hang it over the above the baby's head, and he or she can play and enjoy the playtime music you can play. Actually, Uptot program also provides an application where we can make them learn the things, like it's an online schooling kind of things, so which parents themselves can provide their kids and check their development activities. They can also track their progress, what all, like scorecard, everything, what all their baby is learning right now. Okay, so this is the first toy. Okay, spiral, and it has one box inside it. So it's story builder. Okay, so step 1, step 2, there are steps mentioned here. Okay, if you can see. Okay, so it's saying watch the tutorial video, like from KT tutorial section, then click on the story builder tutorials. Okay, so basically this box consists of story books. Okay, if you can see, these are the story books. Okay, set 1 story builder, set 2. This box contains 2 story books. Okay, and how to recite them, their application itself consists of. And if we open this, the storybook consists. How does a storybook looks? You can see that. Let me open this first. Okay. So this is cow SB1, and I am ugly. Cow, I am ugly. SB2. Okay. So basically these are the story books. If you can see, it is 2-sided, right? One side is this, other side is this. So these kind of story builders they have given us. So it is nothing but its stories are mentioned over the application. So I will have to go through the application, then only I can recite this to Vihana. So this is story builder set of 1. Okay, and this is the story builder set 2. This is same page, it is 2-sided. This is also 2-sided. Let me open this, show you this one card only, because there are many, and anyways you need to go through the application, then only you can recite them. See, It is two-sided. Okay. To go through this story, you need to go through the application. You can play that story, or you can yourself, if you know or you have learned it, you can recite or tell the stories to your kid by showing these pictures, because these colorful pictures are very interactive for your kids. Babies of this age interact with the colors, the wide changing color. Instead of showing them the screen time in the phone or in the television, you can show them these cards and recite the story. Okay, so this was the first box of the box number 1. Okay, now there is second box, that is set 2, wood and paper toy. It consists of wood and paper toy. Match the type of toy. Actually, it consists of activity where your kid needs to match the type of the toy. Like this is boat. Okay, see, it has several cardboard and like soft rings, so you need to match that. What is this? Okay, and what is this? This is water vehicle. This is actually the card. There are cards, so these stories are also there in the application, if you can see. Basically helps babies. So it's mentioned over here, match the items toy. Watch the tutorial video from the kid tutorial section, then click on toy tutorial. So basically you need to again go through the tutorial on the application, and then you can recite the things to your kids. Like it's mentioned like pick 2 categories. So sort total 8 cards from 2 different categories as mentioned in mini standee. Help the baby to sort. Show the baby how to sort with correct category at top. Learning. Baby learns important elements day-to-day life by help of this toy. Stimulation. It enhances cognitive learning, grasping, visual and language stimulation of the baby. So basically it helps the baby to grow, these toys. So there are many toys, you can see. Okay, so everything is based upon the application itself, and these are the elements. Like if you go to the school, right, everything is taught in the school itself, but you get the books. So these all are things are there in the application. I cannot tell you what all the things application does, but basically this is my first time only. Whatever I have felt, I have explained you. And see, this was the first toy and this is the second toy. These are the balls actually. Okay, so it has 3 kinds of balls. If I open this, so I have opened this, so it has 3 balls, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in one ball it is mentioned like thanks. See, if you can see, it's mentioned thanks. Okay, and this is the second ball where it is mentioned nothing actually. Okay, it's not mentioned anything, but this is the second ball. I don't know what it is used for, but you can see this is the second ball. Okay, and this is the third ball where also nothing is mentioned, just the human is made, and here it is written up top, nothing else. Okay, so these 3 balls which we have received from UpTaught. Okay, so I think we have done the unboxing of many things, right? Okay, so actually this consists of 2 more things. This first box, it was like hidden inside the box, I just saw it. So it consists of flashcards. Actually these are flashcards. We went to the park, all is well, where are you, the general sentences you can teach to your kid. These are the flashcards, if you can see. Right? Okay. And the second thing which was hidden is this water mat. I think this is water mat where your baby can play. You can fill the water in this mat, and your baby can sit and play. Let me open this and see if it is that. So I have opened this. Yes, this is water mat only. So see. So basically it has toys also. As you can see, if I will fill the water na here, so these toys will float inside the mat, and your baby, if your baby can sit, or she can sit and play inside it. I think Vihana is too early for this because she cannot sit right now. She tries to sit, but she is not in stable condition right now. I think it will take her 1 more month to sit down properly. Then she can completely enjoy playing in this play water mat, right? And I love, see, from here you can fill the water here. Okay. And basically I love this first box. It was quite interesting. It was good. So let me repack this, because this mess I only have to clean it. Okay, so let's go to our second box. Okay, so our second box consists of, so okay, basically in this second box we have manual. Okay, so this is the manual. Okay, so it consists of audio story books, set of 1, and actually in one set there are 4 audio story books. Okay, the things. So basically I think it has many things like audio story books, net quantity 4, audio story builder, educational flashcard set 1, sensory flashcard, sentence builder flashcard set 1, wall stickers. Okay, let's open. What is this? I don't know. Let's open this. Basically these are the story books. Okay, it is set of 4. So this is first story, you can see. Okay, this is second story. Okay, this is third story. Okay, this is fourth story. Okay. Now we have actually story builders. So story builders are also set of 4 which we have received. This is first story 1. This is story 2. Okay, this is story 3. Okay, this is story 4. Okay, these are the story builders. So the voice notes and audio, the recorded lectures you will receive in the Uptod app itself. So these are just the items which I am showing you all. Okay, so here we have received actually 2 toys. So one toy is this. These are the neem woods, and basically these are the teethers. If you can see this, I don't want to open this because I need to, this will get dirty, I think. Oh, let me open it only. So basically there are 2 teethers. If your baby's jaw is developing, your baby will love to bite his or her hand aggressively. So for that you can use teether, so that baby bites that and it will become strong. Your baby's gums will become strong. So basically teether is good, and since it is neem wood teether, it is more good for Vihana. Okay, it is not opening. That's why I don't want to open. Actually, it's an unboxing video. I need to open. Okay. So it's finally opened. So see, first teether number 1, teether number 2, duck. I don't know what it is. I think it's apple, and she can bite, and her gums will become strong. Okay. So this is the second toy. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so this, I think this is wooden roller toy. So it rolls somewhat like what? I don't know how will it roll. I need to go through the tutorial. It's not rolling, but it's called wooden roller toy. Okay, so this is that. This is the wooden. Actually, the best part is that whatever toys they have provided are of wooden. It's good for her. if even what happens now, whenever when your baby starts growing and starts grabbing the things or items, their first take is to grab that item and take that into their mouth. Okay, so better we provide them the wooden toys so that it's not harmful for them. Okay, so this was second toy. Okay, and so there are two boxes again. In this box number 2, there are two boxes. One consists of sensory flashcards. Okay, so it has sensory flashcards. Again, it has two kinds of sensory, set of 1, set of 2. Okay, so I will show you both flashcards. Sensory flashcard consists of Aryabhat. Who is Aryabhat? Okay, like this. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who is he? This is like general knowledge kind of activities which you can develop. Carpenter. Who are the carpenters? Like this. This is the interesting part. I'm loving it. See? Right? Albert Einstein. So these kind of cards are there. Okay. So this is set of 1. And set of 2 consists of, let me pack this up first. This is set of 2 sensory flashcard. So actually this is interesting. This is more interesting for me and I will love to teach her this. Okay. So what is this? It's the flag of, what we say, India. Okay. Then what is this? This is the flag of China. What is this? This is, what is he doing? He is calling, like, come. Achha, what is this emotion? I think you can guess. Guesses. 1. I will give you 2 seconds. 1, 2. It's angry. What is this? South Africa. Okay. So these are the flashcards. Okay. So this was the set of 1 box. Okay, now this box 2 consists of another box also. So I will open that also. Okay. Let me open. Let me pack this. Otherwise, because I need to handle Viana also right now, na? Because she must be waiting for me. That's where is my mama? Everything, and I am taking out my time to record this video. I know. Actually, after so long, I was thinking to record, but now this is the part of life I need to record. So it doesn't make you bad, mama. Anyways, you need to do things to make your kid happy. So these are the learning flashcard. These are also set of 2, set of 1. Okay, this is set of 2. Okay, so basically these are the same whatever we have shown you right now. Set of 1 consists of cockroach. See what we call it, the cockroach chirps, the sounds. What is this? The dolphin whistles. Okay, what is the butterfly says click. What is this? The parrot squawks. What is this? The fox howls. Like that. It's good. Actually, the sounds and all, everything. And I will love to teach these things to her. These are very good. And actually, I have already started few things. The application we have received like 1 week earlier only. So I have already started those things to her. But we were not having these all things like the material. We have just received it. So I will start using now this also. So what is this? See? It is banana plant. How does it look? See? Like that. This is the set of 2 sensory flashcard. Okay. So what is this? Mountain. Like that. The things are there. Okay. What is this? Sea. Okay. What is this? Shouting. The bad habit. Okay. So we can teach these things. So this is it for the updot. And I hope you guys like this video. and it was important for your kid for development. I know मैंने इतने अच्छे से elaborate नहीं की चीज़ें because मैं अभी content creation में एकदम ही new हूँ, but I tried my best to record these things so that आप भी अपने kid के लिए, अगर आपका बच्चा छोटा है, even अगर आपका बच्चा 1-2 साल का है, you can buy these things, okay? Anyways, she will not go to school right now. He will go to play school or anything right now. So these activities will boost their brains, okay? So whatever orientation I have gone through via Uptaught, they have told us that actually 75% brain develops before 2 years of age, and before actually 90% brain develops. So that's why we have bought these things, and obviously if we want better future for our kid, we will do our best. I'm not saying keep buying this only you can do best. You might have another ways of doing your best, right? Okay guys, bye. Meet you in my next video. Bye. Love you.